Hey, welcome back. We're under the back end of this Buick and we're doing the control arm swap, and we were going to do the spring swap, but I'll show you what's up there. We had a pair of BMR springs shipped out by Summit, and this is not a 67 to 72 A body. It's a 64 Buick. Anyway, so we have a new plan. Great ideas from State and Oregon and George Burns of Burns Brothers Performance. We're gonna cut the stock coil springs and we're gonna see how we can get this ride height looking. We've already got airbags, and so we'll ship back those BMR springs to Summit. I wanted to share this tip too I got from George this morning. I'm putting the UMI control arms on, and so there's the crusty 64 control arm on the left. George's tip was, and I just got a couple of things that I had that were long enough. He said, put a bolt or something through each end and line the two up so that you get the new control arm basically measuring the same length as the stock one. And so when we put this thing back together, the suspension geometry will be basically stock, and then we can go from there. So good tip, George, and thanks UMI, you make great equipment. All right, well, we're just getting started, but got one of them on there, slipped on there like butter. Nice, beefy, adjustable control arm. Looks like you got some insect nests in this old thing. I have to clean that out. Anyway, we're gonna keep going here. We'll see how she turns out. All right, well, let's review. We got a coil out, and it does seem to sit better, but let's take a look at the bolt-ons, my favorite thing. UMI Performance, adjustable uppers and lowers. Already got some dust on them because, you know, the car's dusty. But boy, easy bolt-on, really easy bolt-on. They gave good instructions. But the product's really nice quality, and seems like everything fits like it should. It's all torqued down, and cutting the coil out of the springs did set the back end down a little bit. I'd like it to have a little less rake, but this thing's also going to be loaded down with tools and fuel and whatnot. The airbags have no air in them right now, and so we'll see. I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna try to get the front end aligned, and then the next stop is exhaust. And looking forward to that and some more test drives. I'll take you along. Thanks for watching, everybody. It was a good weekend.